Hello, I'm Dr. Gladys Kalema-Zikusoka, founder and CEO of Conservation Through Public Health, a grassroots NGO and non-profit that promotes biodiversity conservation by enabling people to coexist with gorillas and other wildlife through improving the health of the people, the health of the animals, and the livelihoods of the communities who share their fragile habitat with the gorillas and other wildlife. Thank you so much, Denver Zoo, for all the great support. We're so excited that you're able to support the veterinary technicians here who are doing a very important work of monitoring the health of the gorillas. We visit all the gorilla groups almost every day to check on the 26 habituated gorilla groups and collect fecal samples from their night nests. We also collect samples when they're abnormal and as we monitor their clinical signs. And this is enabling us to have an early warning system to prevent disease outbreaks between people, gorillas, and other wildlife. Thank you for supporting our other programs where we improve the health of the communities around the park. We're currently reaching 7,000 households with 40,000 people in 8 parishes with high human and gorilla conflict. In this way, we are preventing disease transmission through improving the health and hygiene of the local communities, their conservation practices and attitudes, and also getting people to report homes visited by gorillas so that we're reducing human and wildlife conflict. We're also working with 500 coffee farmers bordering the park who get a good price for good coffee, which enables them not to have to poach and collect firewood. This One Health approach that is preventing disease between people and gorillas started out based on experiences I had as the first wildlife vet for Uganda Wildlife Authority, where we had a scabies skin disease outbreak in the gorillas, which was traced to people living around the park who have very little health care. We realized that if we can't help improve the health of the people, we can't keep the gorillas healthy. And we're so glad that as the health of the communities is improving and their well-being is improving, the gorillas are falling sick less often. We're so excited that the number of mountain gorillas has almost doubled over the past 25 years, from 650 to over 1,063. Join us on this journey to continue to improve the health of the gorillas and the livelihoods and well-being and health of the local communities bordering the park. We want to scale up the approach to other protected areas where other types of gorillas are found. It was wonderful to meet the gorillas at the exhibit, to visit the state-of-the-art vet hospital, and we know that through your expertise and your funding and support, you really enable us to take CTPH to another level over the next 20 years. Thank you so much for all the great support. Visit us by Walking with Gorillas, a memoir that's about my conservation and leadership journey. I was so excited to talk about it in a book lecture at the zoo in October. It was amazing to visit the vet hospital and to meet the staff and the heads of the zoo and to see the other animals in the exhibit. Buy a bag of gorilla conservation coffee. Thank you so much for talking about the coffee and our work at CTPH at the exhibit. We really enjoyed the virtual tour and invite you over here to Bwindi to see it in person. Visit the gorillas, see how they're doing, and continue to support our work and spread the work about our work. Follow us on social media and come and volunteer. Thank you so much, Denver Zoo.